ginawa namin ang aming trabaho. Pero ang Senado, iniwan sa ere ang manggagawa.
Una-una, yung spokesperson ng House, si Princess Abante, she should do a lot of research first before opening her mouth. Una-una, sinabi niya the Senate killed the wage hike, the legislated wage hike bill. That is not true. We passed the legislated wage hike in the amount of 100 pesos last February 19 of 2024. It took them a year, all right, to pass their own version of 200 pesos wage hike. At gusto nila mag-BICAM 2 days before adjourning Senate DA. How can we do that? Halimbawa, pumayag ang Senado, 200 pesos. I-adapt namin yung House version. Ano sa tingin mo in the future? Lalong maraming mawawala ng trabaho dahil maraming magsasara ng mga kumpanya. Because they cannot afford it. What do they want to do? They want our economy to collapse? Mag-isip muna sila bago sila.
Talaga bang ganito na ang gagawin ninyo? Yung impeachment, pinadala nyo, huling araw na lang ng sesyon namin. Ito, ganun din, huling mga araw ng sesyon namin. Tapos, ayan na naman kayo, mamadaliin nyo na naman kami, na parang kami ang may kasalanan.